Haritaki, scientifically known as Terminalia chebula, is an incredible herb that has been revered for centuries in Ayurveda and traditional medicine systems. Often referred to as the king of medicines, Haritaki is highly valued for its versatile healing properties and has a profound impact on overall health and well-being. In this article, we'll dive deep into what makes Haritaki so special, its benefits, how to use it, and why it should be part of your wellness routine. Haritaki is a large deciduous tree that belongs to the family Combretaceae. It grows up to 30 meters in height and is primarily found in India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and southern China. The tree bears small, yellowish-white flowers, and its fruit is a drupe that is used for medicinal purposes. Haritaki's wrinkled, oval-shaped fruit, ranging in color from green to yellowish-brown, is packed with therapeutic properties that make it a staple in Ayurvedic remedies. In ancient Ayurvedic texts, Haritaki is hailed as the cure for all diseases. Legend has it that Haritaki was one of the favorite herbs of Lord Shiva, and ancient yogis used it to maintain vitality. In Tibetan medicine, Haritaki is known as the king of herbs, due to its ability to address multiple health issues. Its rich history and cultural significance underscore its powerful role in holistic medicine. Haritaki is brimming with active compounds that contribute to its impressive therapeutic profile. Some of the key phytochemicals include tannins, chebulagic acid, chebulinic acid, anthraquinones, flavonoids. These compounds are responsible for Haritaki's antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. Health benefits of Haritaki. Haritaki is widely used to promote digestion. It helps cleanse the digestive tract, relieve constipation, and support regular bowel movements. The herb stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, improving nutrient absorption and reducing bloating. Packed with antioxidants, Haritaki combats oxidative stress, which is one of the leading causes of premature aging and chronic diseases. It neutralizes free radicals, protecting cells from damage and supporting overall cellular health. Haritaki boosts the immune system by enhancing the body's defense mechanisms. Its antibacterial and antiviral properties help the body fight off infections, keeping you healthier for longer. Haritaki is not just beneficial for internal health, it works wonders for the skin too. The herb's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it effective in treating acne, eczema, and other skin conditions. Haritaki is often used in Ayurvedic skincare formulations to promote a natural, healthy glow. Haritaki has a reputation for aiding weight loss by improving digestion and metabolism. It helps the body break down fat more efficiently and reduces the accumulation of toxins, which can contribute to weight gain. One of Haritaki's major benefits is its ability to detoxify the body. It cleanses the colon and removes toxins from the digestive system, promoting overall health. This detoxification process also helps in maintaining a healthy weight and preventing disease. Haritaki's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it beneficial in managing conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and arthritis. It helps in regulating blood sugar levels and reducing inflammation, offering relief to those suffering from chronic illnesses. In Ayurveda, Haritaki is often recommended for treating respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis. Its ability to expel mucus and cleanse the lungs makes it highly effective for respiratory health. Haritaki is available in various forms, including powder, capsules, and extracts. You can choose the form that best suits your needs, but powdered Haritaki is often preferred for its versatility. It can be mixed with warm water or honey for easier consumption. The typical dosage of Haritaki varies depending on the form, but 1 to 2 grams of Haritaki powder per day is generally safe for most adults. It's best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Though Haritaki is considered safe for most people, it can cause mild side effects such as diarrhea or stomach discomfort in some cases. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid Haritaki unless prescribed by a healthcare professional. If you're taking medications, always consult your doctor before adding Haritaki to your routine. Haritaki is one of the 3 ingredients in the famous Ayurvedic formulation Triphala, which is used to balance all 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. It is a cornerstone in Ayurvedic treatments and is often prescribed for its rejuvenating properties. Haritaki trees thrive in tropical and subtropical climates. They are harvested during the fruiting season, which occurs from November to February. The fruits are sun-dried before being processed for medicinal use. With rising demand for Haritaki, there are concerns about over-harvesting. Sustainable farming practices are essential to ensure that this powerful herb remains available for future generations. Eco-friendly cultivation methods and conservation efforts are crucial in maintaining its availability. In recent years, Haritaki Terminalia chebula has attracted the attention of modern scientists and researchers due to its extensive range of medicinal properties. A growing body of scientific research is exploring the various therapeutic benefits of Haritaki, providing evidence for its traditional use in Ayurveda and other healing systems. Here are some of the key areas of ongoing scientific research related to Haritaki. Research has demonstrated that Haritaki contains a high concentration of powerful antioxidants such as tannins and flavonoids. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, preventing oxidative stress and cellular damage, which are associated with aging and chronic diseases. Studies are ongoing to better understand how these antioxidants contribute to overall health and longevity. A 2018 study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research explored the antioxidant potential of Haritaki extract. The study found that the extract significantly reduced oxidative damage in human cells, indicating its potential as an anti-aging and disease-preventive agent. Several studies have examined Haritaki's anti-inflammatory properties, particularly its ability to reduce inflammation in chronic diseases such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease (IBD). Scientists are also investigating Haritaki's role in modulating the immune system, which could have implications for autoimmune disorders and infections. A study published in BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapies in 2020 evaluated the anti-inflammatory effects of Haritaki in animal models. The results indicated that Haritaki significantly reduced inflammatory markers, suggesting its potential in managing chronic inflammation and immune-related diseases. Haritaki is traditionally used to treat digestive disorders, and scientific research is increasingly supporting its role in gastrointestinal health. Studies are exploring how Haritaki promotes healthy digestion, treats constipation, and supports gut microbiome balance. In 2019, a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology investigated the effects of Haritaki on patients with chronic constipation. The study concluded that Haritaki powder effectively improved bowel regularity and alleviated symptoms of constipation, highlighting its potential as a natural digestive aid. One of the exciting areas of research is the investigation of Haritaki's antibacterial and antiviral properties. Scientists are looking into its ability to combat various bacterial infections, including drug-resistant strains, as well as viral infections such as the flu and herpes simplex virus. A 2021 study published in Frontiers in Microbiology examined the antibacterial effects of Haritaki extracts on multi-drug-resistant bacteria. The study found that Haritaki exhibited strong antibacterial activity against several resistant strains, making it a promising candidate for alternative treatments to antibiotics. Researchers are also focusing on Haritaki's role in managing blood sugar levels and preventing complications associated with diabetes. Preliminary studies suggest that the herb may have hypoglycemic effects, which could make it beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. In 2022, a clinical trial conducted at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences (AIIMS) assessed the effects of Haritaki supplementation in patients with type 2 diabetes. The trial showed that Haritaki helped reduce fasting blood glucose levels and improved insulin sensitivity. Ongoing research is also exploring the neuroprotective effects of Haritaki. Studies suggest that the herb may help protect the brain from neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. A 2020 study published in Neurochemical Research investigated the neuroprotective properties of Haritaki in animal models of neurodegeneration. The results indicated that Haritaki supplementation improved cognitive function and reduced brain inflammation, making it a potential candidate for further studies on neurodegenerative disorders. Some studies have begun exploring Haritaki's potential role in cancer prevention and treatment. Research has indicated that the herb's bioactive compounds may have anti-cancer properties by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and inducing apoptosis, programmed cell death, in certain types of cancer. In a 2021 study published in Cancer Letters, researchers investigated the effects of Haritaki extract on breast cancer cells. The study concluded that Haritaki induced apoptosis and inhibited the proliferation of cancer cells, suggesting its potential as a complementary therapy in cancer treatment. Haritaki's ability to regulate cholesterol and lipid levels is another area of research. Scientists are examining how Haritaki may help lower bad cholesterol (LDL) levels, improve cardiovascular health, and reduce the risk of heart disease. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine found that Haritaki significantly reduced cholesterol levels in animal models, indicating its potential role in preventing atherosclerosis and improving heart health. While Haritaki has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, ongoing scientific research continues to validate its numerous health benefits. From its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects to its potential in treating chronic diseases and infections, Haritaki is proving to be an herb of great therapeutic value. As research progresses, we can expect to learn even more about Haritaki's role in preventing and managing a wide range of health conditions, making it an invaluable addition to both traditional and modern medicine. However, as with any herbal remedy, it's important to consult with healthcare professionals before incorporating Haritaki into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Let's answer some questions. Can Haritaki be used daily? Yes, Haritaki can be used daily in moderate amounts, but it's best to consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. How does Haritaki benefit digestion? Haritaki stimulates the digestive system, helping to cleanse the colon, improve bowel movements, and reduce bloating. Is Haritaki suitable for children? Haritaki should be used cautiously in children and only under the supervision of a healthcare provider. What is the best form of Haritaki to take? Haritaki is available in powder, capsule, and extract forms. Powder is often preferred for its versatility. Where can you buy quality Haritaki products? You can purchase Haritaki from reputable health food stores, online retailers, and Ayurvedic practitioners. Haritaki is truly a wonder herb, with benefits ranging from improved digestion to radiant skin. Its rich history and versatility make it a staple in Ayurvedic medicine and modern wellness practices alike. Whether you're looking to enhance your digestive health, support your immune system, or simply detoxify your body, Haritaki could be the natural solution you've been seeking. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.